Weight loss has been a perennial concern for many individuals, with countless diets and workout regimens promising quick results. However, one often overlooked key to sustainable weight loss is metabolism. Your metabolism plays a vital role in how your body burns calories, and by making simple lifestyle changes, you can boost your metabolism and achieve lasting weight loss. In this article, we'll explore various strategies to rev up your metabolic rate for effective, long-term weight loss. Understanding metabolism. Before delving into the lifestyle changes that can boost your metabolism, it's essential to understand what metabolism is. Metabolism is the complex series of chemical reactions that occur within your body to maintain life. It is responsible for the processes that keep you alive, such as breathing, digestion, cell repair, and energy production. The two primary components of metabolism are anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism involves the creation of molecules needed for cell growth and repair, while catabolism is the breakdown of molecules to release energy. When we talk about boosting metabolism for weight loss, we are generally referring to increasing the rate at which your body burns calories, or the basal metabolic rate, BMR. Here are some simple lifestyle changes to help you boost your metabolism and achieve lasting weight loss. Build lean muscle. One of the most effective ways to increase your metabolism is by building lean muscle. Muscle tissue is more metabolically active than fat, meaning it burns more calories at rest. Regular resistance training, such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises, can help you build muscle and boost your BMR. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week. Stay active throughout the day. Sitting for extended periods can slow down your metabolism. To combat this, try to incorporate more physical activity into your daily routine. Take short breaks to stand, stretch, or walk around. Use a standing desk if possible, and opt for the stairs instead of the elevator. Even small bursts of activity can add up and help keep your metabolism active. Prioritize protein in your diet. Protein is an essential macronutrient that can have a significant impact on your metabolism. When you eat protein-rich foods, your body expends more energy to digest and metabolize them, which is known as the thermic effect of food, TEF. Additionally, protein helps maintain and repair muscle tissue. Including lean protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes in your diet can support weight loss and metabolic health. Don't skip meals. Contrary to popular belief, skipping meals can slow down your metabolism. When you skip meals, your body enters a state of energy conservation, where it holds on to stored fat for survival. Consistent meal timing and portion control are key to maintaining a steady metabolic rate. Eating small, balanced meals and snacks throughout the day can keep your metabolism revved up. Get sufficient sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for a healthy metabolism. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more ghrelin, a hormone that stimulates hunger, and less leptin, a hormone that signals fullness. This imbalance can lead to overeating and weight gain. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support a healthy metabolism and overall well-being. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for all bodily functions, including metabolism. Dehydration can slow down your metabolic rate, as it hinders the breakdown of food and the transport of nutrients. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water daily, and more if you are physically active or in a hot climate. Include high-intensity interval training, HIIT. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a form of cardiovascular exercise that involves short bursts of intense activity followed by brief periods of rest. HIIT has been shown to increase your metabolism, not only during the workout but also for hours afterward. It's an effective way to burn calories and improve metabolic health. Manage stress. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on your metabolism. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that can lead to fat storage, especially in the abdominal area. Incorporate stress reduction techniques into your daily routine, such as mindfulness, yoga, or deep breathing exercises, to help regulate cortisol levels and support a healthy metabolism. Spice things up. Certain spices, like chili peppers, contain compounds that can temporarily boost your metabolism. Capsaicin, found in chili peppers, increases thermogenesis, leading to an increase in calorie burning. While the effect is temporary, adding some spice to your meals can be a fun and flavorful way to give your metabolism a little kick. Consume green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and a compound called catechins, which can help increase metabolism and support weight loss. Drinking green tea regularly, either hot or iced, can provide you with these metabolic benefits while also promoting overall health. Conclusion. Boosting your metabolism is a vital component of achieving lasting weight loss. By implementing these simple lifestyle changes, you can rev up your metabolic rate and create a sustainable path towards your weight loss goals. Remember that there is no one-size-fits-all approach, and it's essential to find a balance that works for you. Consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to create a personalized plan that takes your individual needs and goals into account. With dedication and patience, you can harness the power of a boosted metabolism to achieve lasting weight loss and improved overall health. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.